Hi everyone, our lesson for today is about grade 6 math, quarter 2, module 7. Integers, routine, and non-routine solving problems. Sa mga nakaraang lesson natin, alam na natin kung ano yung mga steps kapag routine at non-routine problem ang ating pinag-uusapan. Meron tayong 4 na steps. First is understand, second is plan, third is solve, and fourth is check. Sa understand, know what is asked and identify the relevant facts. And then sa plan, choose the operation or formula to use. Sa solve naman is perform the strategy. And then fourth is check, verify if the answer is correct and state your complete answer. Ito yung 4 na steps natin. So gamitin natin siya sa pamamagitan ng ating mga examples. Johnny received 25,000 pesos as his first month salary. He spent 10,000 pesos for his new cell phone and bought a branded Adidas shoes worth 5,000 pesos. How much money left from Johnny's salary? Okay, si Johnny daw naka-receive siya ng kanyang salary na 25,000 pesos in 1 month. So, ang 10,000 is binili niya ng cellphone at ang 5,000 binili niya ng sapatos na Adidas. So, ngayon, magkano nilang kaya ang naiwan sa salary ni Johnny? Kung titingnan natin ang problem, so napaka-easy niya lang, no? Napakadali niya lang i-solve. Pero of course, gagamitan natin siya ng 4 steps sa ating pag-solve. So, first, understand. What is asked? Ano yung tinatanong sa ating problem? The amount of money left from Johnny's salary. What are given facts? So, ano yung mga given facts natin? Ang salary ni Johnny na 25,000 pesos. Tapos, ang kanyang na-spend is kulang ng T. Ang na-spend niya is 10,000 pesos sa kanyang cellphone at 5,000 pesos sa kanyang sapatos. Step 2 na tayo, plan. So, planuhin natin kung ano ba ang operation na gagamitin natin. Okay, so base sa ating example, meron siyang 25,000 pesos, tapos bumili siya ng cellphone at saka sapatos. Kapag bumili ka, of course, ang gagawin mo is, ano yung mangyayari sa pera mo? Magdi-decrease siya. So, ibig sabihin, mag-subtract tayo. Pagkatapos, 2 item ang iyong binili. So, ang gagawin mo sa 2 item na iyong binili, i-add mo sila. So, meron tayong addition and subtraction. Ngayon, dahil alam na natin kung ano ang operation na gagamitin natin, i-solve na natin siya. So, ang money ni Johnny is 25,000 pesos. Pagkatapos, isubtract natin ang kanyang binili is 10,000 pesos na cellphone plus i-add natin ang binili niya na sapatos na 5,000 pesos. Okay, so i-carry out lang natin ang ating operation. So 25,000 minus 10,000 plus 5,000 is equal to 15,000. So, 25,000 minus 15,000 is 10,000. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, ang naiwan sa pera ni Johnny is 10,000. Okay. So, step 4 na tayo. I-check natin. So, kung tama ba yung sagot natin? So, 25,000 is equal to, ano yung binili niya? 10,000 at 5,000 plus 5,000 plus ang naiwan na pera niya na 10,000. So, 25,000 is equal to 10,000 plus 5,000 is equal to 15,000 plus 10,000 is equal to 25,000. So, equal sila. Therefore, tama ang ating sagot. So, ngayon is i-state na natin ang ating final answer. Ang final answer natin, therefore, 10,000 pesos is the amount of money left from Johnny's salary. Ito na yung final answer natin. Another example tayo, in a community campaign on reducing waste, the amount of garbage in Rita's household decreased by 2 kg per day. By how much will their garbage decrease after 6 days? What is the average reduced waste by each person in 6 days in Rita's household if there are 4 of them in the family? Sa household daw nila Rita is nagdi-decrease ng 2 kg per day ang kanilang garbage sa loob ng 6 na araw. So ngayon, meron silang 4 na members sa family. Okay, so ano kaya ang average na reduce na waste kada person? At ilan kaya ang total na garbage na ma-decrease sa loob ng 6 days sa bahay nila Rita? Okay, so isolve natin ang ating problem. Step 1, understand. What is asked? Ano yung tinatanong? The amount of garbage decreased in 6 days and the average reduced waste by each person in Rita's household if there are 4 of them in the family. Okay, so dalawa yung problem natin. What are the given facts? 2 kg decreased a day in 6 days and 4 persons in the family. Plan. What strategy can we use to solve the problem? Ano kaya yung strategy na gagamitin natin? Okay, so ang gagamitin natin is multiplication and division. So, isolve natin ang decreased garbage first in 6 days. Isolve muna natin kung ilan kayang garbage ang na-decrease sa loob ng 6 days, kung meron silang 2 kg per day. And then, isolve naman natin yung average reduced waste kada person sa kanilang family sa loob ng 6 days. Kaya, ang gagamitin natin is multiplication and division. Ang unang isolve natin is kung ilang garbage ang na-reduce nila in 6 days. So, kada araw, meron silang 2 kilo ng basura na na-reduce. So, ilan kaya na kilogram kapag umabot sila ng 6 days? Okay, so ang gagawin natin is i-multiply natin first. 2 kg times 6 days is equal to n. So, i-multiply lang natin si 2 times 6 is equal to n. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Is equal to n. So, therefore, ang sagot natin is 12 kilogram. So, ibig sabihin, ang na-reduce nila na waste sa loob ng 6 na araw is 12 kilogram. Okay, so alam na natin kung gaano kadami ang na-reduce nila sa 6 days. Ngayon, ang aalamin naman natin is kung ano yung average na na-reduce ng isang person sa waste nila in 6 days kasi 4 sila sa kanilang bahay. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin, itong ating 12 kg kasi 12 kg na basura ang na-reduce nila sa 6 days. Pagkatapos, i-divide natin siya sa 4 na persons kasi 4 sila sa kanilang bahay is equal to n. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to n. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 is equal to n. So, therefore, ang sagot natin is 3 kilogram. Ibig sabihin, kada person pala, kada isang tao is, ang average na na-reduce nila na waste is 3 kilogram. Step 4, check. So, i-check natin kung tama ba ang ginawa natin. So, of course, tama kasi 2 kilo sa loob ng 6 days. Kapag i-multiply mo siya, 12 yung sagot. At kapag i-divide mo yung 12 kilogram sa 4 na person sa loob ng kanilang bahay, 3 kilogram yung sagot. Okay, so i-state na natin ang ating final answer. Therefore, the amount of garbage decreased in 6 days of Rita's household is 12 kilogram. And the average waste reduced by each person is 3 kilogram. Ganyan lang kadali mag-solve ng integers, routine, and non-routine solving problems. Basta, i-follow nyo lang ang ating 4-step method, which is understand, plan, solve, and check. That's all for today's video, guys. See you in our next lesson. Bye, guys!